4.6.7 for the function g of x equals x plus 1 over x plus 6, solve the following inequality. G of x is greater than 0. So we want to solve this inequality. So we have a rational function is greater than or equals 0. Now for this one, there's two types of critical values we're going to look for, where the function is equal to 0, okay, and then the other one is going to be so basically these are, if I was thinking of the graph y equals x plus 1 over x plus 6, these would be this would be the x-intercepts. Okay, so we got equal to 0, and then the other one is where it's undefined. You have to keep these straight. Okay, so when's a fraction equals 0? And again, we talked about it in the last section. That's where the numerator equals 0, or you can just multiply both sides by the x plus 6 and you'll get here. So x equals -1. And when is a fraction undefined? That's when the denominator is equal to 0. So x equals -6. So I'm going to do the sign graph method again. I'm going to just do a number line, and you have to do left-right position. That's important. So -6, that's our undefined point. So that's always an open circle no matter what. And then we have -1, and then if this is the equal to, if this is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, we do a solid dot. If it's just strictly greater than or less than, we do an open dot. So it's an open dot. Okay, so again, like I did before, so I'm going to think of my factors. The numerator is one factor, x plus 1, and the denominator, x plus 6, and then the quotient, x plus 1 divided by x plus 6. Alright, so again, I'm looking at these three intervals. So the left interval, if I pick a number over here like -10, -10 plus 1 would be a negative number. -10 plus 6 would be a negative number. And then a negative number divided by a negative number would be positive. Okay, now look at the middle one. Say I pick -5. -5 plus 1 is negative. -5 plus 6 positive. Negative divided by a positive for the bottom here. Negative divided by positive is negative. And then the last interval, let's pick 0. 0 plus 1 is positive. 0 plus 6 is positive. Positive divided by a positive is positive. Now if I want the function, oops, this was g of x, to be greater than 0, we're looking for positive numbers are greater than 0. So that's this piece and this piece. So we have -infinity to -6 union 1 to infinity. Oops, infinity. I was going to fix it, but it doesn't matter. So remember, we're going to put it in the interval notation. So we have -infinity, comma, to -6 union -1, comma, to infinity.